The Cabinet then met on the 20th of December 2022 had given its consent to amendments that included that of the Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, the Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws 2022, and the issue of a notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules.
The first was the amendment to the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. The second was the amendment to the Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws 2022. And third was the notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules 2022. So these were the three agendas that were put up. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced, in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.